Hi everyone, this is Vivian. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to work on the fourth page of this worksheet I developed. These practices are going to help you develop a better hand-eye coordination, and the idea is really to concentrating on writing a better form, creating a better letter form and shape. So we're not going to worry about thick and thin. I would suggest you just use a regular pencil, mechanical pencil, even ballpoint pen would do. So you don't have to use a brush pen, and that's why you will see on the worksheet that there's no thick and thin in these guidelines. This is a free worksheet you can download. The link will be in the description below. Also, if you haven't checked out the previous video, don't forget to also click on the link in the description. So let's dive in. So today we're going to do the loops, and one is the ascender loops and the other is the descender loop. So it's called ascender because it's going up, starting from the left corner and then going upward and then come back and then forming a loop. So let's start in this corner and then make a loop and then come back straight down. What we're trying to achieve is to have a I'm going to sound like a broken record, to have a smooth curve and then come back straight line. So this exercise will help you to develop your hand-eye coordination in determining when you should make the turn and when you should start drawing straight line. And as always, you want to be mindful of a starting point, and then the straight line, and then the ending point. So the whole line ideally should be consistent in pressure from beginning to end. Because the pressure is causing the thickness of the line to vary, so you want to make sure you're applying equal pressure throughout the whole stroke. Again, try to relax your hand a little. It's easy to keep on going because you will notice, oh, this one is not perfect, so the next one I'm going to be perfect. And then before you know it, you're drawing like a whole set of lines without letting your hand relax. And then you're going to have a cramp later. And then your hand will get tired very soon. So let's try not to do that. So take a break in between each symbol, Try not to burden the next symbol with the mistake that you made previously. I think there's a life lesson in that. So continue to draw all of these, and when you get to the fourth line, the same thing as in all my worksheet is you will trace one and then you will make a copy. And when you make a copy, that's when you realize, you will realize how well you're doing or how not so well you're doing. The same thing with the descender. We'll start from the top end and then make a straight line, turn into a curve, make a smooth turn, and then coming back up. We still want to apply equal pressure throughout this line. Same thing, you will go through the 3 rows, and then on the 4th row, you will trace one, and then you will copy one completely on your own. So try to make them as identical as you can. All the straight lines should be parallel to each other, and then the loop should be the same size. That's the ideal. But of course, we're not robot, so we'll just continue to improve upon the previous one. So take your time and make as many copies as you need on this worksheet and work your way one sheet at a day, maybe twice a week. I know we all have very busy schedules, so this will only take you, I say, 15 minutes, but it will really help you to just understanding how your hand and eye works. I'll see you next time.